share baby bia na mo wa chisron ko paisan say twedi ampodi e ho afofie e ma eda so tenkom na na dom ene ne humobro enti ene eda so ete enkom. This is Ghana's biggest and the most highly respected political, social and current affairs talk show and yesi hu enkunya ene you can join us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube at Netu TV GH na ye share enkomo anopa ye ba bedi no also for adwenchire efa ho bekin kan nyina the amount multiple stories, especially the trending story, especially on social media. Tyrone Magai, Achimota, Rastafarian Buhaha. We'll be joined here shortly by lawyer Stephen Kwame Asante Queen, a private legal practitioner. Yeneno bidin komo pi afasa asem because bibrina ka ensem pi sene the abani say there yenso ya komfort ebetimi ama yema edi bodua ekurako ati yebepe bebi ensunsuan edi body no ekwakodro de obokrata no nsem aba efia no so yebepe na yesi ehu enkonwa but yedi de obokrata mu komo be hyase no mamemfa asemu entu gidi ma no pay wa oheme rina na mabemu eku enti edu anopase na esewura boso me fufu ye na bedia se ose ni pija yin na yemu gidi you say stop complaining as a human being and learn how to give thanks to your creator. This is the word of wisdom and obey you. Stop complaining as a human. O complaining da o bosumbo. The pia kasa ten penny se and top on call. To stop complaining. Never sit down. Emma obo. Yewura bosumi foforo mu de na chese e di se onimi nyina beye adwen baako na yetimi ede sansemi etututu ho papa because Ghana 42 complaints in the doors complaints in the doors papa see e beda obo de ase de enimi ye ti anopa hwame a jai kasane charge ko do bolo do no ne mum tanyame ase de obo no na ase se oda so ti ase na o hawo ene amane ene kwadanda ene sebe apnisi sebe painting kwati a wote eno de ye be fa wasase so emom obo ade no obo no de da koso ada na se eni ni papi na chase from January, February, March, April, May the 6th month of the year 2021 and the first day of the month of June and yes shemo nti anopa isa wote ase a wasori they make catch us and the nyamiase Nija complaints na ona complaining na complaining bebreba no emfa ensebi anu yie ne hu ensem bia emma we ne futu sema eno mi no na ye de etwe mu abana nya akoko ekuma site we ya mi aba sanso me ye sanso ye me pa ti anopai ho sa ye feyi da de nyame eye no no osesa
Ada mi Elizabeth.
Message ba say no smas no.
Ade no bezo hu ni background no. Obezo hu die.
Also send nyame ball no. Won shede hu a ho fani. Na o hwe se no smas na o de kata.
Me so de me se no smas na me ho ye fe pa anti me penishi.
Se no hu sa. So se me hye.
Enye de openi bi nya.
Na wo yi wani no hu wani ne.
Samum.
O se no ko
ele na so na ye kasi. Boy.
Ana bi no mama na.
I see.
Mama na kra.
Ana na ni abre.
Anti bomo dia na hwe sama na. Bibi ai fine.
Oh, adom na ehuma bro ntimi wo ho.
Adom na ehuma bro.
Grace and mercy. Yeah. Yo is kakra fi we so ko June e wura mu no.
Na enkose baby also for.
Ekopa the 6th month mu ne ewura no. Ni nyina so ye de nyame ase oh yeah. Yeah. Ya no mu de nka wo hwe ye de na hwe se nka yensem fata but
school so bon homoden. Ote no a.
Tuanse secondary school. Na ho na kacha mo sa tuanse ye mo ye homoden a. Me nwanwa say people are surprised. Tuanse secondary school no go and check your background.
Them records.
Any school phone. She.
Third
in Ashanti region, and yeah. Now, okay, at once secondary school na school kitwa. So on say enkofo bebre no ano yen dede. So on say na ebinum ye dede no. Yen dede but cool na ye koye nim. Share. But
headmasters near tons from headmasters.
And the uncle yi ne ho ano. Say ai. Share yen ye wo school no ho. Yeah, demonstration bi. Acho me school 2003. So you can imagine. Yeah, demonstration. Jollof no mo the Tuesday nwumre bia na ye di jollof ne kosua. Me eno nti de bia Tuesday bia na me call dine. And dey me pay. Afi jollof bi o mo yema ye dakro bi. Ei. Jollof yi die wa hu jollof otu se color pa na ye di ahye. Ampani ampa wo di nso gu jollof no so na wo huru nse ya na emo na ye kokko. Na emo na ye white. Yes, no jollof we di eni. Ye ka jollof ni nyina gu fom. Sada no metro no ne ho kire no. Sana jollof no ma fa nto osi anye.
Da de no mo ye.
Kala.
Se mo nyimu mo ye.
Hwe. Enti no se aduane na ye de aba so mo fa hwe nkwada no se headmaster ne de afa sebu akwan a aban mra ne nene. Enko yi no ho ano. But ye boy ye ho modern. Ye boy ye ho modern dada. Yeah, sa story na se me pese godon ankasa kan sa story no mo say. People na farmer. But Twansi Senior High School no yenye school kitwa. Yeah. That's my school. You know, your boy home modern dada.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Someone on say Monte Ashanti region edie. No money mo aye Prempeh College. No money mo aye Opokuware. No money mo aye Asantwa. She. Efia could be girls. Kona ko he wonders o moye wo. Now the OT has a Prempeh College.
To St. Louis etosumi no. And Twansi betosumi.
Yo.
Twansi high tosu 9. Muslims mission.
Mo school akese na mo bo mo din Kumasi no mo din say. Yo.
Kumasi Wesley Guest also 7. TIM Media 8. Opokuware 9.
Yo.
Pentecost SHS 10. Mankraso also 11.
Yo.
And I'll say Educhum also 12.
Yo.
Let's say Twansmoya, the bomb.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
alumni. Yeah, that's my school. And I'm very proud of my school. Yeah. Yeah, na mano. Meko.
I was we are privileged to have lawyers and Asante say in NBT court as some of the Toga and Kwadano Suku say Machimota Rasta from Common. And NBT papa. Now in Semono, to transfer Kakra, we do not say the court got it wrong. That's what concerns by large number of Ghanaians. But we go into the law. The 1992 Constitution. What are the rules and the regulations of the school? There a master rule nearby the court no akan. Is it the final say? Can the school go in for an appeal? Where would this case arrive? Na yeshe ehonsem na ibi. But Franco Trading Enterprise adaromanti e the bokrata mu komo ebro. Franco Trading Enterprise na ode funds papa abreye. Franco Trading Enterprise, and as you say, on the TV, so about a more for Franco TV, if you 32, Edicosi 55 inches, Nina, Franco Trading Enterprise, Adaroma, Omodina Abakuremo, open phones at Todia, and Kotoba, Koto, Papa Franco, phones will be iPhones, Nokia, Samsung, Nina, discounts, or products be of all Franco for aggression, Tishan, so Mamma Papa, now a member of the answer, Akonkan. Open Chichimubia from 0246422 338 and 0546133188. Franco Trading Enterprise. Also still phones papa efi. Komo showrooms and amo branch via Nakoto product and our boss will be na ebo am what me did. One other romantic the work at minimum the Ghanaian Times no
me fa Ghanaian Times ana me fa the New Crusading Guide mra ebushan for me the New Crusading Guide obokrata na ehya na Rastas Floor Achimota School ene wa hey Ghana's food security under threat due to endangering pollinators enforce policies to stop child labor in mining communities. Boache Dankwa Enekasei. Oibi Manche cautions land encroaches. I see. Confusion rocks Oil Marketing Association over discrimination as indigenous OMCs break away. Enti yes the name ho apaso no. Aha na efni abanso so ne yedie. Achimota school asem no. E na me die ben.
And the ruling aba.
Ruling aba. The tie nyina ne se enkwada mienu. Tyrone Magai and na Oheneba Nkrabia.
Tyrone because I did for fresh baby.
Ba ko bi kan ho.
Tyrone Iras.
Magai. Na oh ne ma main story no. Na omumienu no. Computer dem kwada to school mu. Ye do moto Achimota school.
There's Achimota school so unya hokwa.
Yeah. Oh, omuni made o. Omuni made pass. Yin say Oheneba Nkrabia ne say no na metie no say as at age 8 no. No call IPMC no your computer.
Wow.
And he is very good with computer pa.
Asemba kwa na nkofo kan so mutwa rasta nduwa. Omushwan betiako.
Aza.
Ntina amomoni abre.
Na
Rasta nyagu from say addition.
And who go school na when you rasta no wabo ana.
So obi ana ni sunu ne Nkrabia.
Ah, okay.
So rasta nyagu from a dintu mbeso mutwa. Den nkofo kan no.
Ombebo.
Etino when you abre wo za.
Enti school no edo omukọ Achimota no.
Okay.
And na omukọ ya registration in a school ni hu said e bi nkoda omotwa mpese. Na ha de yenya ne sa nti se mo beba school Achimota de ne muti na gise mutwa. Nkoda no ma wofo mu ni ye omugikuma mo nti ase.
Paper be na o kan.
The New Crusading Guide ni.
Crusading Guide.
The New Crusading Guide. Na sabre no na omo share sene omo be court. Na Ghana de se wonti ohun ase wonsem bi hu court wa na obekọ. Enti nkwada ne de court. Omo ne omawofo. Nkrabia no file ne de na maga so file ne de. Na nra na court no de ehun asem baaye. Na court no asem a wo kan ene say omo ya respondent and that is Achimota school for no. Omo say omo board of governors na ahyehyɛ mra wo Achimota school ho say Achimota school de obeba ho ye obo obema wo o trini no e wo say wo kate ne law omo rules and regulations no na omo ntumi am approve say saa de no say obi ko school under 1992 constitution article 25(1) any b no and say 28 any 4 no a enchre wo constitution no mo say e wo say obi a wo ko school bi akate ne ti law enti sa rules and regulations no aha ena court no so kire say omo antumi so amekire mu beyond reasonable doubt say ya no mo kano no say obi etinwi eye empesa ontumi enye school aha enti judge ne say respondent ne nsem omo de betu dwa no oni omo nya adwene enti omo nye nkwada no e wo school ho so when him say na whilst the case was pending no nkwada no de call ye senka ye ma omo ko school na nka ye di asem ni wi a na aha but eno de court ni di kan wo ma anya ntum but see at the judgment na nka saba Justice Gifty AJ Ado na o che say nkwada no wo say wo mu ko school what you say wo say Achimota ji wo mu nti sa na court no de aba na enra no yesi nyani ko hwe court ho Rastafari Council for wo mo ni age omo yibo atwimomome
enije no awie enije no betime awie pay sa say yentime file for appeal.
Oh, send ye appeal de wo be kwa ne ye wo wasem but omo case akono mo wi ni nti omo ni age
woni betime age do baby na appeal sport no to atimi
nti no ade omo kire se na omo ni age pa nti no de ekoye eno no
Okay, now I'm for the same story, the Daily Statement, and it was on the front page of the Daily Statement. DOG reduces policy rate to 13.5%. Policy rate, you know, did not back much, was 14.5 over the period. One you need the data. But this time around, after COVID-19, that takes over 13.5%. Page 6 of the Daily Statement. And dreadlocks are religious right. Court orders Achimota School to admit Rastafarian students. That's page 2 of the Daily Statement. Tyrone Iras, my guy, and Ohiniba Inkrabia is on the front page of the Daily Statement. The 6 Chinese nationals face prosecution over Galamsey drugs and money laundering. Okay, story now.
As a Guardian.
Achimota de no lika boss that na Chinese no me depends na. Yes, ba ko di Chem Gwimbim or 31 years. You Siam Chu.
Say e ma me na me ma na nyeza. Omo din ni de wan hwe ya won hu so your ba na be ma.
Lu Siam Chu or 36. Wu Sao Pui. Oh, 41. Yao Som Sam 42. And a Zhu Yan Lu. Our 30. And a Ching Chung Rong. And so 45 years. They say, I'm going to face prosecution at the year. Galamsey. And a money laundering. And a money hunter. And a hotel here over 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I was in Krigwa and Patemwa. Yedemon Sabana. They say the owner of the hotel is currently at large. And the Yedemon Primachi, the Yedemon day, Zwin Loan Lua. Loan. I said, Zwin Loan Lua. Almost the activity. And I pay the Bocata. The Daily Statement, and I'm paying some what they are and until.
Okay, China for us, yes, say the China ban say obey allow couples normal or 3.
The first one was
so first, no, now you're 1 child, and almost about 2. So say I almost obey allow 3 because who say birth rate no a decline above form. It is a CRD, almost obey allow for 3.
Taking charge of that.
So almost doors. So modo so ntino nti se sia de almost stress omo be ma up to 3 up to 3 nti eno so no na the new crusading guide mu biom no Confucian Rocks Oil Marketing Association over discrimination the tell say omo ton fango wo main mu no oil marketing company for no omo association yes e di 18 years na on say omo ton fango no so no Ghana for ebi wo filling stations ni bi e na omo nya Ghana for so wo bi na omo ya Ghana for no omo association ni mu ne kire say omo nya Ghana for no de bia na omo sideline omo eyi edi emfa wo ho enti they say omo ya Ghana for no mu oil marketing companies no omo so akote omo association Brebra mama nema ntino se se de omo so ate omo de omo de aba eno no mefa Ghanaian Times into aso
I mean we daily guide daily statement.
Okay.
Police probes suspected attack on NPP regional women's organizer. They say the Greater Accra Regional Police Command says it has commenced investigations into a report of suspected attack on the life of the Greater Accra Regional Women's Organizer of the ruling New Patriotic Party, Grace Echampong. They say the people Tuano, Kosiadano, 6:30 p.m. Also say Omoyi Nipa Bonfo Akosen Komo attack. ECO was to monitor Mali transition period. We remember before some because soldier for no between than a civilian rule. Ruling let me a caution at my friend. Some and pay the work at the Daily Statement. Maybe.
Ghanaian Times in here or say after massive decongestion of Accra, traders are back on streets. Are you surprised? I'm surprised, Mom. VIP donates 300,000 to Kokroko Charity Foundation for purchase of incubators. And that's Waha.
And Vice President.
Yeah.
So 300,000
Ghana cedis. Yeah.
That is not 3 billion.
Yes. So, the American story into NIA begins nationwide issuance of Ghana cards from June 7. And the page 16 of the Ghanaian Times, I want stories in go. Unim say Enkramantam Swafo, Honorable Henry Cote, large and in charge, or by Yen and Kranha, baby to say, Swansea Shopping Arcade, Echo Cantamanto, Co CMB, Co Rollins Park, Hono. And you're the phone no magic one, Swabos, no, you woman in free ho. Now, or just say, now what you mean, and you're the phone Samba. Only one studio, me, mamma, Boca, Omuna, Omoda Sugu Quano. share Ghanaian Times the Obokra Chanimua, or more the pictures nina aba HRS. Omukoya, or Masamba. Enti no. Ade bia Honorable Henry Kote no ye. Name sustainability no, and any problem no. And on a way. VIP donates 300,000 to Kokroko Charity Foundations. Ne say Kokroko Charity Foundation no omo eto incubators. Enkwada omo nya bosome nkrono ya wo omo preterm for no. Ye do omo to afidie nim na chese omo tumi enyini na omo enya nkwa. Na incubators no ne bo odene pa nyasem ketwa enti mampani abede eche Dr. Mahmoud Baomi enim se ono de charity work ne de oye na no kra no mama bia oye cured leper okosi dama no wo ha na no so wale yi e wo ho hospital e wo ho so akwakoye o maye enti na ye de no abi ene de akwakopiem se Kokroko Charity Foundation for so am 300,000 se incubators omo to e de hwe sankwada no omo emfa enye ema wonom na Economic Community of West Africa States ECOWAS mpenifo na womo e de atodwa se eho behia pa se omo behwe ekwan a ebefa so na ECOWAS protocol ewo democracy and good governance na ebetumi aye adwuma yie ewo bibima nyina mu ni nyina no ye Mali de ekoso asese ye asrafo age oman no aboso no entia na over page 3 hanomo a court rules against Achimota SHS no and so so the about Safarian admission case no and afin so o say papa bi ono ankasa ne ba okuna sie no yes ewo emfimfiri mantemu breman brakwa wo adan a o say ne prophetess ene say onye saa
because prophetess no say onkuni ba
o say yes ne ba no ewo on say o yes ankwala no a omuntumi nante ni bi aha and bro ai hum bi na yes antino ya ba ne ebe kro Edio enkoti ase na National Identification Authority sesi ano omo bie offices omo shehopa na ne sesi ano Owura Abdul Ganiyu ono na ehwe akire se corporate affairs manager ewo NIA onse eyi koi bapan ba kono eyi ni no immigration ni no pam dirty aha sesi Abdul Ganiyu na ehwe akire na o kire se sesi
immigration ni ko be bia
yeah my main comment sorry
I said we were the say obi o immigration ni na be PRO national
the big story lesson because you na almost say a free and 1st June yi ekono omo bie 275 district offices across 17 regions on say Oko police mu a omo ewo regions no administrations no enti omo so omo de ne 17 but 16 regions dey wo Ghana ha enti omo che se regions no ene districts ni nyina no omo abiebie offices no wo ha ene omo hyase aye adwuma na mom every 7th ewo bosumi ye mu ekono se opese o register na unya Ghana card ni bia obo office ho be yama o card na yira bu pa ana bibia te saa kwa omo be yama ho eno so NIA no ebo eho amane ene anopai na oba ekire hanom a Ghanaian Times echi menstrual hygiene management plan launched in Accra the etiene se oyo banko a na odu mpenimfie so abosome akwantuo no eya na o chese nkwada ne bi wo ho a edu sabre no a omo nko school nyina ne se pa de krom be yusu ne nyina ayo haw enti afi bia no sa menstrual hygiene management day no ekoso afi dia no so akoso na World No Tobacco Day eno so enra ekoso ewa pie mantamu ma ma mimi dako ya wono na hwe Food and Drugs Authority ekokasa ayo chese enkrofo a enom ta ewo men emu no ekona nim papa ya eha dwene ewo se Ghana fo nyina yetumi ehwe ho asamka na wo no so so ayakra ba no a wo so onim se ha adwene dwo free we ara esi o ade nyina wo kwa yiri nyina ne fata ye nti no
wo ani esi wo kama
ne wo ye den ya ebesi wo
nti eno the Aba Daily Guide, Ghana's favorite newspaper. Court sets June 22 for Jomoro MP documents. Birim versus Indum. U.S. fraud fight deepens. Achimota SHS ordered to admit Rasta students. Local OMCs form breakaway group and man grabbed for burying son alive. And what kind of OMG funds work Achimota they are? What was Indum? They say could be in a court or US.
I see.
The case, you know, they say US fraud case. My lawyers for Brim Group Limited, who filed a writ at the court in Chicago, United States, against Dr. Papa Kwesindum, his family, and companies to retrieve lost investment of some Ghanaians, have debunked assertion by the lead defendant that the actions is politically motivated.
Politically motivated.
Indum, any born quabu. The Democrat, the Daily Guide, Ghana's favorite newspaper. Now, Jomoro MP Society of Okra, dual citizenship. Mammy and the Member of Parliament for Jomoro, NDC MP. The by Docas Afu Tofi. Na papa bako efeno Joshua Emua Kofi awo fi number mpataba eno Jomoro mpatem ho eno file se mami okura Ivorians citizen wo omukrom ho ote ho oni no pa eno no kure sanso ye Canada ni tini papa bako na yi ni mi
no say Ghana
ni ti ofin kromi asaso
no ye international woman. Oh, yeah, international woman.
I brought you back at former auditor
general. Dom level.
Yeah, dom level. They will file away for a senate not back also free.
Yeah.
And we are also free.
Kumas.
Last one so free. Kumas is the auto also. Yao. Open for your dom level. Eti mame Toffee MP. This is on your Ghana ni mapa. Iti court a share se jumbo some de toso junu yi. On fa na krata nyina. Amrate on sem so ebo Daily Guide maybe.
Okay. The Chronicle the Obokrata no enie ene or say Proverbs 10:12 no diaba. Hatred stirs up strife, but love covers all offenses. Intino. And then obi wo ho no anopo ntumi mie Bible mu ntimi ama no quotation ba ko. Proverbs 10:12. Itidu ichemudu mieno. Hatred stirs up strife, but love covers all offenses. Proverbs 10:12. Now Chronicle ni muhanam no say, wife chases husband to death, but family police trade in accusations and counter accusations. National security sues on suspected Chinese drug peddlers. Confusion rocks oil marketing companies. DVLA to clamp down on burger number plate users. Now, your wife chases husband to death, and on someone are hopa. Esi was out on ewo from Mantam no emuna no ya wade. Watch say already a friend no Jonathan Aholu, or ne yere ya friend Magdalene. Omo awade ena womo ete Accra town eno no ewo sa empotem ho framantem ho na wose be se ena mreka krani no oba na sesa ne niema afri na ware ase ho ekọ ne maame efie enti oyesa no a se be ma ne pese one ne ba no ene yere no ene ne makasa agi so ofre oba ne maame na se be ma na nase ansana watumi enya no ene no akasa.
Okay.
Enti wamo o se one day bi ena chese ofreye se opese okoba ho ena abrante no ko ho ne omo ko kasaye na odru ho no mo a na obisa girl no se na se ukra phone Enti adenti na se mefrɛ wo a agye se o ma me phone so e na me ne o kasa ena o se phone na nyon no to ma no enti na nya de o ne be kasa wo so na abrante ne agi phone ni free girl ne se no smash phone no ho ne ho ye ni girl na frɛ police for se ye meche no ena kwa ne so se police for be chi enti wo tra moto so a o de moto na akɔhwe ho awu enti ni papa kyerɛ se boy ne frɛ no se one ne yire nya problem na ne yire na sesa ne nema ne nkwada ne nyina akɔ ne maame ho nti one ne yire ne nkasa na o se papa ne se de bia
oba no ne yire ne frɛ police
ai se o chimi ne nsa gye ne phone asma hye ne nti o
to no so suro police for no nti okotu moto akɔ
na papa ne kyerɛ se ne ba ne frɛ no se one ne wife nya problem ama ne wife ne kɔ nti omra na omu meka sem no ena wo so wo frɛ na se no oba ne papa ka kyerɛ ne sese na aba na papa ne se wo nya abokyere no one ne ba ne beka bibia ene se asem no ba ya yesi time a omu frɛ police for no kwa no oba ne papa frɛ police for no ka kyerɛ omu se mo man ha we fi asem yesi ye frɛ ne sen district police commander wo se da yenya frɛ omu ne de ye ba ba kye akwa no menti asem na se
labi we meremu na wo sa
I don't get it. Enti boy na wo ni papa de o se police for na ekuni ba no. Enti no chese aye nsem bebre.
Awafo awafo one no wo ma.
Mienu.
Ena wachimi oba ne saje for. Ena oba ne frɛ police for. Ena in the course of a police for mo beba no na obusuan for no.
Oba ne papa frɛ.
Se asem odi.
Ye fi asem ni apa na si asem no so. O se chinchina ye beche nti boy na so te se police for beche no osuro
otu moto akọ this a lawyer for ende enumera no nti
DVL for the character pie dwa kire se sesi a no nsem krofo wo ha na o mayo mo number plate ni stylish
afi no mahu
e wo ho da
na me se mi se
minim se wo be ye bi na nse enche
afi no mahu ana
da be wo ho da la sesi a de wo so obi a wo be ye se bi e beche wo
ma me yenkoso yenkoso
say
Owe DVL for asem no yeti kura mu yeti kura mu yenka no kura institutions ne nya adwuma no DVL afi no mahu saa we no afi no mahu ana mumma Ghana bresa ye ka mamu amamu yi yesi mumma institutions ne nya adwuma
and they are very important
na matwini Jonas Jigano
on there forgetting
na no na ya de but atem di na enya de but no edu ba bi o ka no kore
enti almost o ma yes number plate number chi wo
omonchi omo na obi kura ni DV ni ya munya acheche no
DV ni de o ya ni
achewo sa se ukura DV na se
no watwa bo nti metumi akọ
da bi onko nya botre
sa
se ukura DV ache se o ye saka wani adwen 30
se na what Benz mu kura
de so ye saka wani nizi ademe obi to Benz chemi a o se me ton
bad
cause me feel see me mo me age na because me nyesi
so small boy nti no mbe ka so
me nya small boy sa mani just that many na yankwala nim now Daily Graphic also ECOWAS condemns actions leading to Mali instability and court orders Achimota school to admit Rastafarians page 16 encroachment derails real development Accra Kumasi lands take over the ECOWAS hono shisha electronic cigarettes not safe and what mudi a word tobacco deal
say I say no na no mayo no na enom
so mo baba so
so omo ya tra me ma no kra
sisi the man ehudi kan man buries disabled child alive accomplished prophetess on the run udwane akwan gina ho enti shisha no ho nsem wa ha otumfo se nye say electronic cigarette mi so asaba ebi asi nyame ba omrantemo na baby aduna ihu na yese Kumasi keteke akwan no kokohe
kofa diaboso
wo de hwe ene da ho no acha so obi a we for wa ha ebi mu kura sisi omo dan wo ho omo acha se
na we be de na railway development
okay back to the studios
Ghana for you
yen hwe baby akwa akosi nti the Ghana we are yes a fix out
the country
very good and the yebehwe baby nsunsun de body hono kwa kodru fix the country for no in fact mon konko hwe de ekoso Kumasi na mo hwe de Ghana ene de ekoso man mu no say be fix it and I fix it on there so far so good COVID in the city, I had in a but I don't just say, more, because we
in the protocol.
So, but opening one in the bush as woman. I see you when you know who should have.
No, me, mamma dear.
Minimum was it no smassing? There be said in our canon and yabre. You when you know who, but your opening, I don't remember about.
To me, you know, smash and I
you don't know what's where you may had a sorry, I was about Abnanya Kukwe Kuma and our Oten in Kano, Nebre Asso, lawyer Stephen Santebe Queen, and Chibia Betnas and answer no. Young Kumudibe Sima Edu Dunumuntembi in era Jonathan, Equamwa, or CEO. Was it a CSR Ghana? Okay, Team CSR Ghana. All right. Yɛne no bɛdi nkɔmmɔ kakra ɛwɔ ɛyɛ yɛdwumadi so na ansana yɛne lawyer Asante Bekwin atras yɛhwɛ Achimota ne mmaransɛm ɛne sɛ ne ɛnwomate but hyɛ no so sɛ Joy Herbal Center ɛde the ultimate immune system booster ɔno no bi ɛbɛboa paa COVID bere mu opedra ɔno ma ɛbɛtumi aboa boost immune system ɛyɛ Vehicle 20 Food and Drugs Authority authenticate sɛ obia timi no binti ohwemi anope ya ko drugstore bi so pe Vehicle 20 edi nubra ene hahama nko anaye naturally made with herbs ultimately say enye bibia kekene ada frafra opebi no ma eboa ma soja fo nya hoden brane pa yade bi asuru se beba nipadua no moti frɛ won 0244 585 531 na 0244 876 321 Nataraj product by JK Company Limited and woman wa kadia ya boa ma yema ne dachi nya gina ye papa si fapem papa ohun panifo bi we TV so o pani a betena se nya woman sua enke bia no no baabi odu lawyer Asante Bekwin kana se nya woman sua enko no baabi odu ye nyina mu woman sua na de edu pempe so na ansa na no akora ne hia kade ohia pens pencil crayons math sets books akoda bia no obeko school ni sa ne mana ne beje ne senti na JK Company Limited and Nataraj product abakremu na so distributors for Nataraj products Nataraj pens Nataraj pencil cases crayons math sets and JK exercise books stacks plus premium A4 paper champion plus A4 paper and a 5-star A4 and A3 papers ni no obeko number 60 Otublom Street or North Industrial Area on a Christ Embassy opposite from 0540 125 999 0540 125 999 and mekui ene adwuma bi a ono so ade abebo yepono so ana abeto yepono so se obi a oye utimi ye manicure pedicure lash extension obi a utimi ye waxing utimi ye massage obi a utimi ye oye nail technician some technician nail for so mo bro for dino no utimi fixing ni pa more